In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook pixel code to Unbounce landing pages. By the end, you'll have your tracking set up in a clean, centralized way so you can measure traffic and conversions across your Unbounce experiences. Start by opening a new browser window and searching for Unbounce. From the results, click the official Unbounce website. If you're already logged in, you'll land in your dashboard. If not, go ahead and sign into your account. Make sure you're in the correct client or workspace that contains the landing pages you want to track, and confirm you have permission to manage scripts for that account. Once you're in, head to the Settings area. This is where Unbounce keeps account-level configuration, including scripts that can be applied across multiple pages. Within Settings, select Script Manager. Script Manager is ideal because it lets you add one snippet and apply it to many pages, and even confirmation dialogues, keeping everything consistent and easier to maintain. Click Add a Script. When prompted for the script type, choose Custom Script. Give it a clear, recognizable name, like Facebook Pixel, so anyone on your team can identify what it does at a glance. Consistent naming helps avoid duplicate installations later. For placement, choose Head. Placing the pixel in the head ensures it loads early on the page, which improves the reliability of event tracking and helps capture page views accurately. For Included On, select All. This applies the pixel to both landing pages and their confirmation dialogues, so conversions that happen after form submissions are also captured. If you only place the pixel on landing pages and not on confirmation dialogues, you risk missing critical conversion events. Next, paste your Facebook pixel base code into the editor. This is the exact snippet you obtain from your advertising platform's Events Manager. Make sure you're pasting the complete base code without altering it, and avoid adding the same pixel in multiple places to prevent duplicate firing. Then, select the specific domain or domains where you want the pixel to run. This is helpful if you manage multiple brands or environments and only want tracking on certain URLs. When everything looks good, click Save and Publish Script. After publishing, allow a few minutes for changes to propagate. As a best practice, check a published page on your selected domain and confirm the pixel is loading correctly using a browser helper tool. Keeping the pixel in Script Manager ensures future pages automatically inherit tracking without extra work. That's it. Your Unbounce pages are now set up to capture data through the Facebook pixel.